you can find a list of available cities within a specific country that you have available to you for geo-targeting by using the Proxyrack API. So there's an API endpoint, which is this one right here, api.proxyrack.net /v1-beta/countries/ and then here you have to substitute this for the 2-letter country code and then /cities. So the 2-letter country code would be, for example, for the USA, it'd be just US. For the UK, it would be GB. For Mexico, it would be MX. Here, this is the guide that we have on our help website. You can find all of the 2-letter country codes by clicking on this link here. So what you need to do in order to find this list is make a request to this API endpoint through your proxies. This is very important because if you're not connected to your proxies when you make this request, nothing will happen. You need to be connected to your proxies when you make this request. This could be in your code, it could be in a browser, it could be in an application or program. Basically, wherever you've configured your proxies, you make a request to this URL with substituting this for a 2-letter country code, and then you will receive the list of cities that are available for geo-targeting. You can also include this $include count equals true flag at the end of your request, and this will make it so that the API returns the number of IPs that are available in each city. So this is helpful just to know how many proxies are available in each location. So I will show you an example of this using curl by using the Mac terminal. So this terminal is a default application on Mac. If you're on Windows, you can use the command prompt. For Windows users, note that curl is not installed by default, so you'll have to install this yourself. But curl is not required to get this proxy list. You can use whatever code or application or your browser in order to see this list. You just need to make sure you're connected to your proxies wherever you're doing it. So you can see here, this is the curl command I'm going to run, and we're making a request through the proxies. I have my username and password here, and then I'm making a request to this API endpoint. And when I make that request, it will return all of the cities that are available in the US. Now, if I want to get the count for each of those cities, I can say, come over here, and I'll encapsulate this with quotation marks. Say $include count equals true. And then make this request again, and you will see that the proxy count, each city available returns a proxy count, and how many proxies are available in that location. So note that the cities that are available in a specific country will change throughout the day as proxies come on and offline. And the number of proxies available in each city will also change throughout the day as proxies come on and offline. So this is a very helpful endpoint to know which cities are available and how many proxies are available in each location.